7 types of masks for face in winter. In winter, the skin is generally rough and dry. Dry air from cold air causes irritation in the skin of the face and other parts of the body, and the color turns black. The rest of the skin is still covered with warm clothes, but the skin on the face has to withstand the effects of the weather at all times. In winter, it is necessary to moisturize the face to maintain its appearance and softness. With the following 7 natural masks, you can not only make your skin soft and supple, but using them will make your skin look radiant and radiant. Mask of barley flour or porridge. Add the zucca porridge to the egg yolk and honey. Let this mask stay on for 20 minutes. Then wash face with warm water. Using this mask will make the face feeling soft and supple. This is the best mask to relieve colds. Banana mask. This mask provides natural moisture to the skin. Fill the banana and add fresh cream to it. Apply this mask on the face and leave for 30 minutes. The roughness and dryness of the skin gets rid of this mask. Mask of honey and milk. This is a very easy way to make masks. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of raw milk to 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply this paste on the face and neck. After 20 minutes, wash your face. This will naturally moisturize soon. Papaya mask. Remove the cooked papaya pulp. Mix a small spoon of olive oil in it. Let it remain on the face for 15 minutes. After washing, the skin will become soft like silk. Mask of dark chocolate. Yes. Chocolate is also important for maintaining skin moisture. To make this mask, blend 1/3 of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of honey and 2 tablespoons of yogurt and blend all the ingredients. Apply this paste on the face for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash the face with cold water. Carrot mask. Take a carrot. Boil it and grind it, add some honey. Leave this mask on the face for 10 to 15 minutes. Carrots are also vitamin A and beta-carotene anti-aging agents. They protect the skin from the side effects of cold winds. Strawberry and lambuca masks. In 1/4 cup of cooked strawberries, add 2 tablespoons of lemonade, 1 tablespoon yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey. Do not allow the paste to be too thin. Put it on the face for 8 to 10 minutes. Then rinse the face with a mild warm soft cloth and wash the face with cold water.